Okay, so how do we get data on the Tumble Buggy Lab? So your data is all going to be from this video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hit here so we can see the beginning. And what I like to do is to use the pause feature quite a bit to get this set up. So I'm going to pause it. And I'm going to get this Tumble Buggy as close to the beginning of that ruler as I can. So right here, I want to start my trial. Now, I'm just going to skip ahead a little bit in the data and say I'm measuring for 1 second. So for 1 second, I'm going to let this Tumble Buggy drive. How I'm going to do that is I'm going to hit play. So that's how you're starting the car. And I'm going to let it go for 1 second. So I'm going to hit play. And that's how far that car went in 1 second. Now what I can do then is I can go down and see exactly how far it went. This is 0 centimeters over here, 10 centimeters, 20, 30, 40. Now this is a little past, so it's not quite up to 50 centimeters. So 40, 41, 42. So for 1 second, for trial 1, for 1 second, I'd say about 42 centimeters. Okay? Now I have to do another trial, and the other trial will be a little bit forward. I'm going to go to trial 2. I'm going to set it up exactly the same way. I'm going to try to get the Tumble Buggy right at the beginning of the ruler. Right there. And again, I'm going to let it go for 1 second. So I'm going to hit play. I'm going to stop. This time the Tumble Buggy made it probably right about here. It's actually really close to the 40 centimeter mark. Maybe a little before, maybe 39. It's okay if you're a little bit off. Remember, these faded numbers you see are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is 100 down here. Okay? And that's how you record data for the Tumble Buggy Lab. I'd keep going on to trial 3 for the third one, then I'd do my next amount of time. Whether it's 1.5 seconds or 2 seconds or whatever you happen to pick.